This one is for the Vortex, okay? So, you know what? Let me just, so this is the creative. I know you guys have probably seen this. If not, whatever. Let's
This
take a
thing
watch.
is amazing. Not only does it double your water pressure, which feels amazing by the way, but as you can see, it legitimately filters and enriches your water's pH level, which will begin improving your skin and hair within the first week. I myself noticed a huge difference, so I bought everyone in my family one and they all love it. It's called the Vortex by the Clearwater Company, and they're doing a 50% off sale right now, so get one before it ends.
All right, what do we learn about that video, right? Straight to the point. I'm not making any weird fake TikTok trying to get some people's attention by using some gimmicky tactic, right? First and foremost, straight to the point. The video is what, 20, 30 seconds? I show you what it is immediately. You immediately scroll, they hit the video, they see exactly what it is, so they immediately have the choice to validate themselves as a customer in the eyes of TikTok, right? So if they scroll, TikTok immediately knows they don't like it. There's no wasting of the time, right? If they stay, this thing is amazing. Well, what's amazing? It's a crazy looking shower head. Nobody's seen a shower head like this. Look, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel here for any of the products we sell, right? We're not reinventing the wheel.